So hello mga langga. Today we are going to make a fun and creative alphabet hat. So this will help us learn our letters while having fun. So ngayon, magla-layout muna tayo for the show mga langga. So and then print our alphabet hat template. So next, grab your crayons and color the hat. So hayaan natin lumabas yung creativity ng bata sa pagko-color. Then show a child tracing the letter and the word with a pencil. Now, let's trace the letter A in words. Tracing help us practice writing. Show a child cutting along the template lines carefully. Be careful to follow the lines. Kung kailangan nila ng tulong, let the teacher help. Next step, paste and assemble. So show the child gluing the hat parts together. Make sure it fits around your head. May enjoy talaga ng mga bata while doing this activity. Let them explore while having fun. Kasi yun naman yung aim natin na matuto ang mga bata. Tip, you can also laminate it to make your hat stronger and long-lasting. So show a child wearing the completed hat with a big smile. So your alphabet hat is ready. Wear it proudly and show everyone the letter you learned today. Ganon.